Good afternoon, this is Bob Iaccino coming to you from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago. Talking copper futures, copper up 1% on the highs today. We've now got a 4-day win streak. Copper's been up 4 consecutive days. This will be the first up week for copper in the last 3. But since copper made its highs at around 335 or so at the end of December, you're still down about 9 of 14 days in that particular sort of downtrend that we've had in copper, getting all the way below $3 on the CME contract. This is also the first down quarter that copper has had. Copper's down on the quarter. It hasn't had a down quarter since 2015. The economic incentive to buy copper has been there pretty much since the economic crisis in 2009 and the equity markets turned around as the global economies turned around. Copper being nicknamed Dr. Copper, meaning it has a PhD in economics. As copper rises, it's generally a sign the economies are getting stronger, and copper has risen consecutively quarter over quarter since 2015 until this very quarter. So some of the stresses we're seeing in the base metals might be a sign that economies are not as strong as people thought. Then on top of that, some of the overall pressure on copper today, pushing it back down below that 1% high to about 0.75% up in toward the end of the day, is the stronger dollar. Dollar index popped above 90 today for the first time in a couple of days. Not a really big move on the dollar index, but it was marginally stronger as we saw treasury yields basically flat to slightly higher across the curve. We got a holiday shortened week. Markets are closed tomorrow, so not as much to talk about as normally. This is Bob Iaccino talking copper futures from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago.